Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just showing you my morning routine. So my day usually starts around 6:30 or earlier, depending on the kids. And the first thing I do when I wake up is take my Synthroid because I have Hashimoto's thyroid disease and I have to take this every single morning for my thyroid to be able to function. And as you see here, I have a little Carter making his way in, but first the dogs are going to make sure that they get their snuggles before the kids do. And here comes little Tan Man to get his morning snuggles in as well. I am not a morning person, so the longer I can stay in bed, the better. While I'm getting my snuggles in, Chris goes downstairs and makes us coffee and gets the kids their water/juice. And this has always been our morning routine because, like I mentioned, I'm in no way a morning person. However, I am an evening person. So he takes care of most of the tasks in the morning and I take care of most of the tasks in the evening. And it's just great teamwork and it works out for both of us. So it's about 7 a.m. and little Miss Ella is waking up. She's being nice and quiet because she likes to do her morning poop in peace. So I let her do that and then I'll go ahead and go in there, get her and just change her diaper. You can see my hair is a little wild. I usually go to bed with my hair wet. I shower at night just because our mornings are so busy that it's just pure chaos when I try to shower in the morning. So I shower at night and I go to bed with my hair wet. And when I wake up, it's usually dry and I'll just use the curling iron on it quickly. I also take Ella's outlet monitor off of her foot and then I plug it in so that it's nice and charged for the next night. And then we're going to go into my bed and I'm just going to nurse her. I don't know about you guys, but ever since Ella turned like 6 months old, she is the nosiest nurser. She stops nursing pretty much every 2 seconds. I'm usually covered in breast milk, but it's just the age. She's very easily distracted. Now that she's got her milk from me, she always likes to go hang out with her daddy. She is very, very much a daddy's girl, but it is the sweetest thing in the world. Next, Chris took the kids downstairs and he is just hanging out with them, letting them play. I'm going to go ahead and make my bed. You see I changed into my robe and that's because I put my pajamas into the dirty clothes because the next thing I do in my morning routine is I always start a load of laundry. So I just made sure that those pajamas are getting washed. Just giving you an update on the boys. Carter likes to play his ABC mouse in the morning. Tanner kind of just plays with toys still. And Ella is always so hungry. So she has puffs in the morning while I'm making her breakfast. She is a very hungry girl in the morning. Now I'm just unloading the dishwasher. I run the dishwasher every single night so that we have clean dishes in the morning. So that's part of my nighttime routine. So unloading it is part of my morning routine. When I'm done loading the dishwasher, I usually start breakfast, and today Carter does not have school, so I'm able to make pancakes. However, on days when he does have school, they usually have like just waffles from the toaster or scrambled eggs with cheese or some kind of toast. But since he is home from school today, we have a little bit more time in the morning, so I'm just making pancakes for everyone. I recently put out a what's for dinner video, and this little thing here is from Whisk, where you just put your pancake mix in it and just makes it easier to pour pancakes or even make shapes out of them. However, in my what's for dinner video, we were having breakfast for dinner and I poured it in without the bottom on, and the batter went everywhere. So that is why you saw me double checking to make sure that that was actually put together correctly. A lot of times Ella eats like banana, baby cereal, egg yolk pancakes, but lately if we're having pancakes, I just make her the smaller version of it because she likes them just as much. And I'm also just going to add some fruit to their plates. They're going to have some strawberries and blueberries in addition to their pancakes. Being able to sit down and have a meal with my family is just something that just seriously warms my soul. It's just like everything I ever dreamed of is this family that I have right here. The kids are mainly done their breakfast. I'm done my breakfast, so I'm just getting them their vitamins. They think this is like the best treat in the world when they get their vitamins for the day. Tanner actually like savors them and like sucks on them like they're hard candy, so I always have to be like extra careful with him because he will take like an hour to eat one vitamin. It's 8:19 and I'm just going to go and load the dishwasher and clean up everything from breakfast, and then I'm going to go upstairs, get all the kids' clothes picked out. Usually I like to do this the night before. However, I forgot, so I just picked them out in the morning, ironed them, and Chris is going to come up and get them so that he can get the kids dressed. And then this is when I will get ready. And yes, this is what it looks like in the morning when I get ready. Ella slept through the night last night, so I had a lot of milk that I needed to pump. So I just pump and do my makeup, and then I got dressed and do my hair. So like I said, I go to bed with my hair wet, and it's kind of crazy in the morning, but just taking a curling iron to it really, really quickly, it kind of tames it. So this is how I wear my hair most of the times. If it's the weekend and actually have time to blow dry my hair, I like to straighten it. But when I don't have time to blow dry it, I just quickly curl it. These curls are really easy and really don't take that long. If you want to see an entire get ready with me, I just put up that video, I think it was last week or the week before, so it is my current like get ready routine. And this is my cozy, nursing-friendly mom outfit for the day. Usually on days when I work out 3 days a week. On those days, I kind of just stay in my workout clothes all day, but this was not a workout day. Now that everybody is ready, I'm just going to go downstairs and make myself a protein shake. I normally have at least one protein shake a day, but even though we had just had breakfast, I always try to replenish after I pump, because for a while I wasn't replenishing and my milk was seriously going down so much. So anytime I pump, I make sure to either eat something or grab a protein shake, but basically just put those calories back in. and now the laundry is done, so I'm going to switch it and put everything in the dryer. The boys get a kick out of helping me put the clothes in the dryer. It's a game where they try to catch the clothes on their head and they just think it's so fun. And this is just an easy way to get them involved with doing laundry. And their significant others will be happy one day that their mama taught them how to do laundry from a super young age. And anytime I can just involve them in housework, it makes me feel better too, because I'm doing housework while getting time in with my kiddos. I'm just grabbing my diaper bag and then we are out. If we have any errands to do, I try to get them done before nap on days when I can, when Carter's home from school, just because usually after naps the meltdowns happen. At least that's our case. And of course, I always got to make sure I have everybody's drinks. And I just wanted to give you a glimpse to what it's like to have 3 car seats all next to each other. I also wanted to quickly just show you how I organize my day. I forgot to show you this previously, but I think that anybody could adapt this. It's just super easy way to keep your day in order. I just make a list of life, chores, errands, work, and then I also add to buy, and then this week, and then me time. So you can kind of see the examples that I have here, but don't forget to schedule in that me time, mamas. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.